In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a portfolio from start to finish. So there are really three parts to creating a portfolio. The first is creating portfolio items. The second is grouping them together into a portfolio using the Agility Portfolio Constructor. And the third is actually displaying that portfolio on a page. So let's start out by creating some new portfolio items. I have some text set up here that I'm going to use. So we're going to create some movie posters. This is a drama. Give it some body text. Set some tags. We'll use these tags to filter later, and we'll use the portfolio categories in order to identify or to group these items using the portfolio constructor. And then we'll give it a featured image. Click Use as Featured Image. Save those changes. Now we can publish this item. And there's our portfolio item. Now I'm going to create 3 additional portfolio items, and I'm going to pause the video and do this quickly so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Now I've created an item for Inception, which you can see is categorized under science fiction. And an item for Jaws, which is a drama. And an item for The Matrix, which is science fiction. So, now we have 4 brand new portfolio items: Inception, Jaws, The Matrix, and Blood Diamond. So now we want to use the portfolio constructor to actually group them together into a portfolio. So we'll go to Agility, Portfolio Constructor. We're going to create a new portfolio. We're going to call this portfolio Movie Posters. Now we want to select the categories to draw portfolio items from. So we want drama and science fiction. And there are our 4 items that we created: Inception, Jaws, The Matrix, and Blood Diamond. So let's save this portfolio. Now that we have our group of portfolio items, we need to actually create a page to display them on. So we'll go to Pages, Add New. Now we just entered the title that we want to display on our portfolio. Then for our template, we select Portfolio. That reveals the Portfolio Settings meta box. So let's make a 4-column portfolio. We'll show the title for each item. Now under Portfolio here, we select the portfolio that we just created in the Portfolio Constructor, Movie Posters. So let's publish this page and then view it. And there's our portfolio. We can click on each of these items to see them in a lightbox, or click the name to go to the portfolio item. Now let's make this filterable. So by clicking Make Filterable and then Filter by Portfolio Tag, and if we refresh the page, we'll see that we can filter by any of the portfolio tags that we used. So show all movies by Leonardo, or with Leonardo DiCaprio in them, or movies about false realities, science fiction, drama, or movies with just a shark in them. So now that our portfolio page is all set up, let's add it to the menu. Go to Appearance, Menus. Under Portfolio Items, under Pages, we'll find the page we just created called Movie Posters. Add that to the menu, drag it into place, and save our menu. And now it appears in our portfolio dropdown.